What's up guys, it's Mr. Erdoğan here, and I'm here to tell you about something new and exciting I'm planning for you guys. So what you're looking at here is a new Flipgrid page I've made, which will give you guys the chance to take part in an epic video I'm creating with students from all over the world playing Star Wars on Recorder. So if you guys want to take part, all you have to do is go to my Flipgrid page, which is flipgrid.com/Star Wars on Recorder, and use the videos there to learn the Star Wars main theme and Star Wars Imperial March. You can also find these videos on my YouTube channel in the new Flipgrid Challenge playlist. And after you learn the songs, you're going to upload the videos of yourself playing each song through Flipgrid. Then I'll edit all of you guys together in a big recorder symphony, which will look kind of like this. Except in my version, it'll be all of you guys playing Star Wars on your recorders instead of singing. Now, I want you to get mom and dad's permission for this, and maybe even get their help recording yourself if you're having difficulty. Also, if possible, please send me videos of you standing in front of a green screen. The final product would look so much better if you do. And I encourage you to dress up and wear any Star Wars gear you feel like wearing for your video and have as much fun with it as you want. Also, if you can't learn both songs, just start by choosing one and record yourself playing that one song. Then after, if you have time, you can learn the second one. And if you're having any difficulty, that's okay. Mistakes are okay too. If you record yourself playing and you make mistakes during recording, that's totally okay. The only thing you need to worry about is playing at the right speed, and that's why you're going to record yourself playing along with the videos. Also, if you want to record yourself playing in separate chunks, that's okay too, so you can send me multiple videos per song. That's totally cool. The deadline for you to send me a video is April 1st, 2019, and I'll be releasing the final video on May 4th, 2019. So that means you have a little over 2 months to learn the songs and then get the recordings of yourself uploaded to my Flipgrid page. And I'm going to be putting all the links and info in the description below of this video. Now, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys, and may the Force be with you.